Hi everyone, I'm Kim. I have a website called The Hypertufa Gardener, but then this YouTube channel I call Kim's Gardens. We do gardening, flower gardening, succulents, perennials, even houseplants. I have a basement garden shop that I do a lot of my work in, making the Hypertufa pots. That's kind of a concrete pot that's made to last, a little bit more lightweight, and we can make those for our flower planters, but then whimsical things for Christmas and Halloween, scary skull faces, but then cute pumpkin faces that we can use all fall, and color those whatever color you might like to use. In the spring we can do shamrock planters and Easter baskets, whatever might strike your fancy and can be used indoors and out in the snow and ice. So come join me and we'll see what we can plant together.